The long-awaited arrival of the band that changed the HMI comes to Tampa. Saturday, January 13th, MVP Vibe Productions, Café Creole and Bar, and Compa in the City presents the grand premiere for the first time in Tampa. ZAFEM. ZAFEM will take over Tampa for the long-awaited performance you can't miss. Saturday night, January 13th, inside the Cuban Civic Center, 10905 Memorial Highway. It's ZAFEM. It will also be a birthday celebration for Team Ralph MVP. This will be the biggest event in the city with music by DJ Mix, DJ Spins, and DJ Mix the Funky. Hosted by this January 13th at the Cuban Civic Club. Tickets are available now at Eventbrite.com. For info and VIP, call 813-415-4098 or 407-744-4722. Be there.